Hi folks, this is Dr. Don. It's Monday, July 14th, 2025, and I'm going to start calling these the Monday videos, and I'm going to do a better job, I hope, of getting one of these up as early as I can on the Monday of each week. This week's Module 3, and I have on the screen the learning pathway, and it gives us an introduction here. It's talking about the 5 steps of data analysis, and we're on step 3, I think is what they're talking about here. These are the tasks that you've got to go through in this module 3. We've got a lesson about frequency distributions, and that is a way of describing data graphically. And then we've got lesson 2, which is on measures, statistics if you will, of the central tendency. Where is the most likely value to use to represent that whole data set, that whole sample? And then we've got measures of dispersion. How narrow is that data dispersion? Think of the old bell curve. Is it a skinny bell curve? Is it a medium fat bell curve? Is it a very squashy bell curve? And then we go into an Excel challenge problem in which you're given a data set, and you're going to have to do those 3 things that you learned in those lessons. Then we've got learning materials, and this notice that your module 4.5 final project choose your data assignment is coming up. It gives you the information about that, but again, you don't actually have to have your data until module 4. But I do want to encourage you to start now thinking about it. And I'm going to make another video talking some more about how your choice of the data set is related to the types of requirements you need for that final assignment, and how I want to give you a little bit more rope, a little bit more lasso in choosing your final data set so that it is something that really is meaningful to you and will give you a good enough project that you would be proud to put it on your data portfolio site, something on your resume, a link out to show people I have done something of value with respect to using data to answer a business question. And of course, here, that business question could be your personal business, something you're interested in, sports. But if you can make it about something that's air quotes business related, I would urge you to do that, and I will stand by to help you find data sets. I've got sources of a lot of them. So that's kind of an overview. And again, the 3 lessons are all recommended by Wednesday. And why is that? Well, you've got to be able to get through them and apply them in this Excel assignment, which is due Sunday. So you don't want to be running up Saturday night just getting through these lessons and then trying to do the Excel assignment. Now again, I'm going to talk some more in another video about that assignment, and then of course get you thinking about your final data project. So reach out if you have questions.